video, we're going to show you guys how you can create beautiful inlays within your U-Cara panels. As you guys may know, U-Cara is a backer and panel system. So that means we're attaching a panel to a backer on the back side. So that gives us the opportunity, being that the panel is just a facade, to create really truly unique looks. This might not be for every job, for every homeowner, but for the job that you're really trying to set apart and stand out, this might be something that you might want to look at. And in this video today, we're going to show you how we complete this. Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to do when putting in a curve onto your U-Cara wall is you first determine where you're going to want to put it. What I've done is I put a mark on the floor. This would be your base pad. Then I'm going to take a piece of snap edging that I've cut out between there so I can make a radius with it, or a curve. See it here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it here on put it on my mark, and I'm going to bring it to where I like it. In this case, I don't want to cut this one. I want to go right before that corner, and I'm going to say I like it right there. Kyle, I'm going to have you slide that in for me. Now what this is going to be that Kyle's doing is, if you don't mind, just a little more, Kyle, is this is going to be our jig to transfer to all our pavers, or to our panels. Kyle, would you go ahead and mark that? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of wood that we've marked, we're going to take it over to the table, and we're going to cut this out with the jigsaw. Might hit it with a sander so we make sure we get a nice clean edge. And we're going to transfer that to our midnight sky as well as our summer wheat. So now that we've got our jig cut out from the table over there, what we're going to do is we're going to set that jig right on that same mark on the floor that we had before. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to mark it. Put my foot on it, give it a good mark. And as you can see, we have the cut that we're trying to achieve here. Now that we've marked our midnight sky, my partner's outside cutting them, I'm getting the next cut set up. What I'm putting in is the summer wheat pieces right in place, exactly where the last ones were. I'm now going to take my jig and my pencil, put that jig in that exact same spot as I did last time, put my foot on it, and I'm going to give that a mark. At this point, now we've marked our midnight sky. These are going to be our good ones. These are going to be the garbage pieces that we're going to use the midnight skies from. I'm going to show you that here next. So now we have all our pieces cut. We just cut these outside. We put them on the ground. We follow that radius and hit it with the cutoff saw to get a nice groove, and then we were able to cut those in place. Nice radius. Now we just have to finish up the summer wheat. Oh.
By the way, Chris cut those. Great cuts. I was just the Vander White part.
As you can see here, we got a nice radius. If you need to, you can kind of touch this up with a grinder to kind of tighten those up. But really the big idea here, and the reason why we did this two-step process, is when we have the look of the radius or the angle coming through, it has the appearance of one full panel, but with the line coming through it.